This video is to demonstrate how to pre-sort boxes for further organization. Project Cure receives many unsorted medical supplies and needs to organize them before shipping them off. The first step is to retrieve 2 boxes from the pallet outside and assemble them as shown. One box will be designated for items on the board, while the other is for more difficult to sort items. Take an unsorted box from the designated pile and begin to glance through it. If you find an item that corresponds with a picture on the board, place it in the easy to sort box. If the item seems unfamiliar and you cannot find it on the board, place it in the hard to sort box. Here's a brief rundown of the items you're looking for. Needles and syringes are needed for sterile injections. Blue-colored paper and cloth is typically in sterile packaging and can be used in great quantities. Bandages of all kinds are needed to treat common wounds. Keep an eye out for gauze on unusually shaped bandages. Diapers should be labeled clearly and easy to spot. Gloves and masks are used to protect doctors from contracting and spreading disease. Also look for surgical booties, typically blue fabric to put over one's shoes. Braces and splints will be recognizable with Velcro fasteners typically. They're used to hold joints in place. When you find test tubes with colored lids, check the date printed on them. If there is less than a year before expiration, discard them, otherwise they're considered easier to sort. Sutures can be found in white containers with pastel colors. If you see the word monofilament on the packaging, it's probably a suture, easy to sort. Sealed surgical packs will have a separate area to be placed in. They will be identifiable by the blue gown and label for a specific procedure. Items with a battery or power cord are biomedical supplies and need to be placed in the appropriate container. Similar containers exist for fluids and metal surgical tools. When your box is filled, place it in the appropriate pile. Boxes completely filled with the same type of item will be grouped together outside the sorting room. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. The board is an easy reference for most of these items. Thank you for volunteering to assist Project Cure. Your efforts will save lives around the world.